Construction crews were busy installing new crossing signals at Birch Grove Maintenance Facility's main entrance. The crossing signals and bells are activated when a train or locomotive enters the crossing block, via a block detector circuit. Both tracks are included in the detector circuit, and will activate the crossing. The crew has the road blocked off, for the test runs. To power the signals, 4 modules were used. A NCEBD-20 was used for train detection, where one leg of the DCC to the block passes through the detector. When activated, the BD-20 operates a relay, which in turn supplies power to the crossing light module, and the bell sound module. An iPhone speaker was used in place of the supplied speaker to provide sound. The sound module is capable of 5 different sound selections, including bells and train horns. One of the test runs to verify activation of the signals. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also follow me on Instagram at CR4114HO. See you next time on my channel.